Hi everybody, in this video I want to go over how to not only calculate how much money you'll get in dividends per month, but also the dividend growth of those reinvested dividends. So one of the things that I was looking forward to was not only how much am I making every month in my dividend payments, but how much will it grow for the next month. The way to calculate this, pretty straightforward for a monthly payer like Realty Income or Main Street Capital. You take the dividend payment and then you divide it by the share price. That'll tell you how many shares of stock that you'll reinvest it with. And then finally multiply that by the dividend per share. So for instance, Main Street Capital is trading about $32 a share right now. If you make a dividend of $32 for 1 month and you put it into Main Street Capital, you'll be getting exactly 1 share of Main. And then the 1 share of Main is paying about 20.5 cents per month, which means that you're going to be growing your dividend by 20.5 cents the next month. And then as you keep doing that over and over again, if the share price stays pretty much at $32 a share, you'll be getting 20.5 cents per month extra than what you were previously getting. Over many, many months and years, this could end up growing to a large sum of money. So when I was looking at my own portfolio with Main Street Capital, I'm actually a little bit higher than this because I'm earning about $35 a month. So I'm getting about 1 share per month, which ends up being about 20.5 cents, about 22 cents or so when you round up. Again, that's just going to grow month after month and don't have to do anything about it, just completely passive income. A few of my other holdings with Realty Income, I'm earning about $24 a month. The share price is 61, 62 right now. So when you divide those two out, you get about 0.4 shares. It pays 23.5 cents per share. So I'm getting about 8 cents an extra on Realty Income. KBWY is an interesting one because the dividend yield is so high. I'm actually earning almost 30 cents per month extra than what I'm previously getting, because I'm getting about 1.7 shares per month. Finally, SPHD is paying about 5% dividend yield. I'm earning about 7 to 8 cents a month there. Now, for the quarterly payers, it's a little bit more complicated. So I didn't necessarily do it, but I estimated how much it is. For quarterly payers, you could essentially take the total dividend payment for the year, then figure out how many shares you'll get from that, same calculation. They'll tell you how many shares per year you would make, and then multiply that by the share price, divide by 12, so you get your monthly paying. My totals for that are, of all my quarterly payers, are about a quarter a month or so. So when you add up all of my different investment accounts currently, it's going to increase at about 85 cents per month without me doing anything at all, not adding extra stock, not changing anything besides reinvesting dividends, and also letting it drip and go more. So this 85 cents is pretty much a minimum. If shares start to tank again, it would actually get more shares. The dividend stays the same. It would actually be higher than that. If stocks end up getting really, really big and increasing a lot, then I'll be getting less shares, and then that 85 cents will actually be a little bit lower. Dividends could also grow over time, and I'm looking at more dividend growing companies like Visa, MasterCard, Broadcom, Intel, stuff like that. Year after year, they're going to be increasing their dividends on average about 8 to 10% per year. So then these 85 cents going back into more shares of that stock is going to grow at the 10% rate as well, and it's just going to snowball more and more. Dividend growth investing is not meant for, quick fix 1-2 years. If you have minimum 10 years, and I think ideally more like 20 years, that's where you see big gains in your dividend growth, because again, it's reinvesting those dividends more and more. So if anyone has any questions or thoughts on how I did these calculations, let me know in a comment down below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You really help out the channel. I'm going to be doing a video every week on here at least, and definitely like the support I see with the community out here. So again, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Have a good one.